Hi guys, welcome to another review of the Essentials Racing Style Leather Chair. This is a nice office chair with a little bit of extra style and extra design. I don't know who's the producer. I guess it's Amazon or Amazon itself let it produce. And I have to tell you, it actually exceeded my expectations. I'm using this now for more than half a year, every day for about 10 hours. And I thought, because it's not so expensive, it wouldn't last so long. So everything is still in perfect shape. It looks almost like brand new. Even after half a year, there's almost nothing to see. There's maybe one thing here, but this is from moving. So the guys didn't really care when we moved to the new location. That's a little bit the bad thing. But apart from that, I think maybe this is a wear and tear. I don't know. I'm not sure. Maybe this is a small thing. And one thing I didn't pay attention at the beginning, that the cushion was not centered. So here on the right side, the cushion is more or less centered, as you can see. So it stayed, it flattened a little bit, but it's still there. It's still really useful. It's good. The thing also, the fabrics is a little bit less aggressive now, less sharp, so it doesn't bother me anymore. So it was just for a couple of days or maybe weeks, but now it's pretty smooth, and or maybe my skin has got used to it. I don't know, but it's no problem anymore. Regarding the texture, it was a little bit aggressive at the beginning, but you see the cushion is really centered on this side, and on this side it's not it's not centered, and it was never centered. So maybe I should have returned this. I don't know. The cushion is still there, but you can see on the inside it's the whole thing. It was almost a little bit like this also, even at the beginning, but over time it has even moved more to the outside, and there is probably nothing I can do. Maybe they have glued it like this. I don't know. I've tried to move it a couple of times, but didn't help. So this is actually my only complaint about the thing. The wheels are still perfectly rolling, turning. The thing to go up and down here on the right side works still perfect after half a year. The armrests as well, so you can still move them up and down exactly the same way as they have been at the beginning. So, and the texture or the fake leather, I can't see any wear or something like this. So this is still perfect. So the good thing is really that they have put this special woven texture. I don't know how to call this, at the points where there is a lot of tension or a lot of stress, and this is especially the front, and that's a good idea instead of having this. So this lasts definitely a little bit longer. So absolutely in perfect shape, apart from the damage from moving, but it's not the fault of the chair. So, but everything really in perfect shape, and I still like it as on the first day. So also the lower back support is still there perfectly. Hard to see maybe from this side, but maybe you can see it like this. So this is that was really a good investment. I definitely don't regret buying this. So I still like it. It's perfect. So I can really recommend this thing to anybody who wants a little bit yeah, let's say a little bit more stylish chair, which is not too expensive. And of course, this one does not have like a bendable back, so you can't adjust the tilt of the back. So that's the compromise of this chair. Of course, you can't have everything for below $100. But apart from that, I mean, from my side, the tilt is perfect. But some people may desire another tilt or want to move it back and forth a little bit, or to, yeah, some people like to sleep in it. I don't know. You can't do that here, of course. But apart from that, everything perfect. My full recommendation, and I'm not paid to for this review, of course. It's just my personal opinion. I paid full price for this. So yeah, this is it. I just wanted to give you an update on this, and I hope I was able to help you a little bit with that. If you have any questions or comments, just write to the comment section below. I'm always happy to talk about these things. And if you like the video, give me a thumbs up, subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching, and see you next time.